Established in 1990, Pengyi Chemical Machinery Company Limited today is a leading manufacturer of chemical machinery equipment, but also supplies innovative user-oriented products and services in many other fields. The family-owned enterprise employs more than 2,000 people in over 350 companies across the country. Pengyi's product range covers chemical mechanical equipment, lithium battery automation equipment, and as well the high performance of wholesale material production line, which is also the industry leading solution for chemical machinery suppliers. Pengyi has also received ISO 9001 qualification in 2013 and had been awarded the China's Technological Growth Type Enterprise and the Top 10 Coating Equipment Supplier. With this trusting reputation, Pengyi has spread their business across 4 continents and provided services for over 2,000 clients. It had built up a global market network with annual revenue over 100 million RMB. These achievements have put Pengyi in the front row of China's leading chemical machinery industry.